Select Nomi Pay. Select Get Started. Select what it is you're selling, confirm that you've read the terms and conditions, and then click Join Nomi Pay. Check your email. Click the link within your email and you'll be taken to this onboarding page. You'll just need to complete the information to get started. Once complete, go to Nomi and create an invoice. You should notice at the bottom that Nomi Pay is now enabled. When previewing invoices, you should now see the Pay Now button. You should also see the Pay Now button on any emails that you send.